Hey y'all, it's me Naya. So since Valentine's Day is coming up, I felt like doing a get ready with me Valentine's Day style. So keep watching. I just washed my face and moisturized it with the Palms wipes and the Pond's moisturizing cleaner cream, whatever. Okay, so now let's get right into it. I'm gonna start with my face. I'm gonna do my hair and I'm gonna get ready. Keep watching. Yeah, so first I'm gonna go and do my brows, and I'm gonna use my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in chocolate. And y'all, I lost my spoolie for my eyebrows just now, and I'm just gonna have to use my finger real quick and just brush it like this. I'm sorry, this may be a little ghetto, but I gotta do what I gotta do. All right, so this is a I don't know if you guys ever heard of Mikasa brushes, but this is Mikasa brush in E100. It's just a little it's a liner brush. I'm not good at eyeliner, girl, so I use it as a brow brush. So right here, guys, I decided to speed up the video because, girl, if I didn't, we would be here all day. Does anybody have Valentine's Day plans? You could comment if you do. Just want to make something really clear. I'm not a makeup artist. I just like to do makeup for fun, so I don't need nobody coming at me saying I'm doing this wrong or doing that wrong. Girl, I'm not a makeup artist, alright? I'm doing it the way I know how to do it. I'm just saying, because people be ready to get crazy with you sometimes. I'm going to be using this for my primer, y'all. I got this from a Jamaican makeup artist. She started using it as a primer. This is not a primer. This is something you take for when you're sick, and I use it on my face because it hasn't broken me out, and because it really makes your skin, it's a good primer. I feel like it's a, for it to be a cramp free relief, this is what I use as my primer on my face. And I got it from a Jamaican artist, and I haven't stopped using it since. So y'all might judge me after this, but I don't care. Oh well. This is what I use. So I just take a little bit and just put it in little spots that gets oily, because this really controls the oil on my face. And just rub it in, and it dries on its own. Put some on my nose because my nose gets oily. So I'm about to clean up my brows with this Pro Concealer. I think everybody uses this, and this is fun. The white stuff that you see on my face is the primer that I put on. Okay. So now I'm just gonna conceal my brows and clean them up a little bit. So I'm using the brush, and I just take a little bit. This one is finished actually, but I got the next one right over there, but I'm gonna get all my use out of this. All right.
I'm so mad I lost my spoolie brush, y'all. Like, where did it go? I just lost it. Literally just lost it. Right, some more. Let's see when we finish how it comes out. Oh, I'm not blocking. I don't know how should I do my hair. Should I do it like straight or like curl it? I might curl it for the video. I want to look in the camera, but y'all, if I look in the camera, my eyebrows, my camera jacked up. See how this one is not arched and this one doesn't. I'm just trying to fix it a little bit.
Boom. Boom. You're supposed to adjust this. That's my mirror. I hope it ain't break. Nope. Okay, y'all, so now I'm about to just conceal my eyelids because I'm gonna try some eyeshadow today. I'm not a big fan of putting on eyeshadow because I'm still learning how to do it. So if my blending skills is not on point, don't try to come for me. Just let me know, like, girl, listen, keep practicing, right? Like, don't come for me. Okay, so I'm going in with the same Pro Concealer, and I'm gonna just conceal my eyelids.
I'm using this brush and just gonna buff it out. Blend it in. Blend it in, and I really need to say, and I said buff it out.
The primer, the Milk of Magnesia primer, it actually dries on its own. It leaves marks sometimes depending on how much you put. It leaves like little white spots here and there, but yeah, I don't be putting too much on. I just don't be wanting my face to be super greasy. Alright, so now y'all, I'm gonna use my NYX Mineral Set It and Don't Fret It matte finishing powder. So it's like this. I'm just gonna use a dab of that with this brush. It's a this is a beauty blender, but it has a stick, so that's why I like it. But I use this one when I'm concealing my eyes. Alright, that's it. So I'll just leave it like this for a little bit, and then I'm gonna start using my, this is the eyeshadow palette that I'm using, and this. So this brand is from the Color Institute, and literally, y'all, this was a go buy. Look at this. Like, this side is lip glosses and highlighters. This side is just all eyeshadows. So this is like my practice eyeshadow thing. Basically just like using it to do my little makeup here and there. I don't know where this is from, but because I got it as a gift, but you can probably find it on Amazon. It's called the Color Institute beauty portfolio. So now I'm just gonna take off a little bit of this finishing powder on my eye. So I'm just taking off a little bit because I still need some, because I want some to blend with the eyeshadow color. So I just do like that. Okay, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna use this red color for my eyeshadow.
I don't know this is a concealer anyway.
Okay, y'all, so now I'm gonna use my Sephora foundation in the color Deep 55, and I'm just using one of these brushes. I don't remember where I got these brushes. I don't even remember the name of them, so but it's a flat top brush like that, and here I go. Okay guys, so I'm just getting ready to go in with this brush and dust away this satin powder, and then that's it. So that's it guys, this is the finished look. My dress is from Fashion Nova. I can't remember the name of it, but I finished my hair and makeup off camera. This hair is from Coco Black Hair. It's a 360 lace frontal wig, and my shoes are Steve Madden. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.